Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. Because on the daily time frame, this little top right here was a 78% Fibonacci retracement of this move down. Definitely looks like a possible end of a correction. If it is the end of a correction, it needs to go down. It needs to take out this low, maybe make a pullback, and then continue to make lower lows, lower highs on these very high time frames, which is great news for us. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are approaching the 78%, so this could possibly be an area of support. I personally, especially because I think we could be in a wave three, I definitely wouldn't be trying to look for longs at this area. But if we do make a bounce, then I definitely would continue to look for shorts based on the higher time frames, especially the fact that the weekly and the daily are both in a downtrend. I definitely would be doing nothing but looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.